electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just to Electronics. In this video I will show you how to control the AC appliances using the RF frequency 433 megahertz. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. When I press this switch, the bulb is the on. See, when I press this switch, the bulb is the on, and when I release the switch, the bulb is off. And when I press the second switch, then second bulb is on, and when I release the switch, the second switch, second bulb is off. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the next PCB site is open. See, is the next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this, and you show the so many things. I mean, you just change your PCB color, height, holes, and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description. Please. This is the RF transmitter and the receiver. This is the transmitter 433 megahertz and this is the receiver. I saw the total hardware of this project. In this project, I using the RF transmitter for 33 megahertz and ST12E IC in transmitter side and two push button. This is the zero PCB. I mount all this board in. I do the soldering in zero PCB board, and in the receiver section, I use the RF receiver and ST12D IC and one resistor is the oscillator register, and I do the soldering in zero PCB all the components. Okay, next component is the two channel relay board. Relay board is controlling the two AC appliances bulb. If you want to the controlling the DC also, then you put the DC in the output of relay. And this is the total hardware of this project. Okay, let's go. I explain the total working of this project. In the transmitter section, I using the ST12E IC and the RF transmitter and two push button, and in the receiver section I using the ST12D IC and the RF receiver, and I using the two channel relay board. Relay board controlling the AC bulb. You put any AC appliances in this relay board, I mean the DC and AC, which type of you want this application, then you put it in relay output. And that is the total hardware of this project. Okay, when I press this switch, see the RF transmitter and the receiver continue communicate to each other. When I pressing this switch, the bulb is the on. See, when I press this switch, the bulb is the on. When I release this switch, the bulb is the off. Okay, when I press the second switch, the bulb is the on, and when I release this switch, the bulb is the off. Okay, this all controlling the bulb is the two channel relay board. When I press this switch, see in the relay board is the on, and when I release this switch, relay board is the off. In the second relay also is the same working. When I press the switch, the relay board on, and when I release the switch, the relay board off. Okay, this is the total working of this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button and share with all your friend. And if you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.